Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Exquisite timing on that. A very well-deserved boundary there.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
And he helps himself to a 6. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
There is a fielder at cover.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Plays and misses.
Fielders outside the inner circle. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles.
That is lovely timing from the batsman. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early. Can he do it again? Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Fielder placed at point.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Fielder placed at point.
Nudges it for a single. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. They would definitely have a score in their minds. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Oh, that must have really hurt. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Glorious, absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for 4.
Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That's hit straight to the fielder. Fielder placed at point.
Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.